The node is the most basic building block for many common data structures. The node fulfills two functions. The first is that it provides a mechanism to contain a piece of data. For example, the integer value 3. The second is that it provides a means of connecting itself to other nodes via an object reference pointer. This object reference is known as the next pointer. So as you can see here, we have a single node. It has a value of 3 and a next pointer, but it has nothing to point to. So let's create another node, this time with the value 5. Now let's connect the first node to the second node. We've now created a chain with two nodes and one link joining them. This process can be repeated for many more nodes. So let's look at some code and see how a node object might be defined and how the linking process might take place. So as we saw in the previous slide, the node class has two responsibilities. It holds a value, or in this case an integer, and provides a pointer or a link to the next node in the chain. Let's start by using the node class by creating the first node in our chain. So we'll allocate a node with the value 3, and it's going to have the next pointer default to null. So let's go ahead and create the next node in the chain. Now this node has a value of 5, and again the next pointer has a value of null. The key thing to understand at this point is that all we've done is allocated two independent nodes. There's no link between either node. So what we need to do to create the link is set the next pointer of the first node to be the second node. And in this way, we've linked the first node and the second node into a chain. And as before, this whole process can be repeated again for a third node and a fourth, and on and on and on. So let's go and take a look at this in Visual Studio.